Time now to take a look at your north central Washington weather forecast, and I hope you had a fantastic Tuesday. Clouds, fog throughout our morning hours into early afternoon, and then a little bit of blue sky peeked through as we look outside our weather window, and this is up at beautiful Blewett Pass, and you can see the highway here. Remember, Blewett Pass will be closed, as we mentioned earlier in the newscast, coming up on Thursday. So a little bit of sun today. It was nice to see, but boy, our temperatures stayed on the cool side today. Actually about normal at 37, but heck, we've been above normal for about the last 3 weeks or so. As I mentioned, 37 is our normal high, 58 our record high temperature, and that was set back in 2021. 32 this morning, 27 our normal low temperature, and 8 degrees our record low set in 1985. I wasn't here in 1985, but you folks that were, I bet you felt like you were reverting back to the Ice Age. 1985, one cold year. Sunrise 7:29, and it's set this afternoon at 4:12. All right, taking a look at Wednesday temperatures, a lot like today, maybe a touch warmer, a little cooler in the Columbia Basin, Moses Lake, Ephrata, Quincy, only in the upper 30s tomorrow. Wenatchee, we will be the warm spot at 41, 40 for Eniat and Chelan, 39 up in Omak, and also upper 30s to near 40 tomorrow. Kashmir, I think you will see 40 degrees tomorrow afternoon. Tonight, we expect partly cloudy skies, still under the effects of a Pacific high pressure area, and that's bringing us pretty stable weather. A few clouds will roll through. We'll see some chilly overnight lows tonight at around 30 degrees. As we get you into Wednesday, pretty much a carbon copy of today. We'll start off with a lot of clouds out there, maybe just a little bit of clearing in the afternoon. High temperatures on Wednesday, as we mentioned, right around that 40-degree mark. We might see 41 in Wenatchee. As we get to Thursday, this is where things begin to change a little bit. You can see just an area of low pressure on the west side of Washington. That'll bring some showers into at least the Cascades. Some of that may leak over into our area. 20% chance of rain with highs in the upper 30s. And then we're going to start to get wet as we get into Friday. An Alaskan area of low pressure will bring a very moist flow into Washington. Almost the entire state will see some sort of precipitation. 60% chance for us. We are going to warm up, though, with temperatures in the mid-40s for Friday. And then on Saturday, that strong southwesterly flow continues. Could see some breezy conditions Saturday afternoon with mostly cloudy skies. About a 40% chance for rain. Still going to be mild, though, with highs in the mid to upper 40s. And then for Sunday, cloudy skies. Once again, that same moist southwesterly flow will move in. Once again, about a 60% chance of rain. We will remain mild into the end of the weekend with highs again in the mid to upper 40s. And then for your Monday, cloudy skies. Could be some very windy conditions along the west coast of Washington. A 70% chance that we will see evening rain. This color is heavy rainfall. High temperatures on Monday into the mid-40s. All right, time for your 7-day forecast now, brought to you by Colonial Vista Senior Living in Wenatchee, where comfort, care, and community come together. 30 degrees, I should say, overnight tonight. Cloudy and 41 are high tomorrow. Just a slight chance for showers on Thursday and 39. But boy, that all changes as we get into Friday and through the weekend. 46 for Friday with a 60% chance of rain. About a 50-50 chance for Saturday and 50 for the high. And then on Sunday, cloudy skies, a 60% chance of rain and 47. Rain is likely even into Monday with high temperatures then 46 degrees. And that's a look at your north central Washington weather forecast. Coming up next, tonight's sports report with Eric Granstrom and more as the NCWLIFE Evening News continues right after this.